recently were at a session of Manitowoc University, held regularly at the Manitowoc Education and Technology Center, where we took the opportunity to talk to product specialists about their equipment and the innovations in design and construction that helps operators achieve more with less operational cost.
First thing that's very important to know is that this is being a variable speed and fixed speed mixer. It's a belt-driven mixer at the same time, and that's very important. Very simple to use, very simple to service. At the front of the mixer you'll see a dial timer. The dial timer is pretty popular for us rather than a control timer. The control timer we have is 25 programs and 9 settings. If needed in the industry. But again, like I say, 90% of the time, this 15-minute timer works very well. We have a start and stop switch on the front of the machine. On the side of the machine, as I turn the machine to show you, we'll have an attachment hub. Here, the attachment hub will fit onto the table so that you're not standing in front of the machine and you can drop product into your mixing bowl. At the hub on the machine, it runs at 180 RPMs, standard. No matter what speed you're running the mixer at, the hub stays at 180 RPMs. This is the ultimate speed for grinding, chopping, and dicing with our attachments. All other mixers that you're familiar with will have a pin in them. This pin is usually used as a shear pin so that you protect the motor against overload. Well, if that pin shears on a mixer, you're out of business on other mixers because you don't have the shear pin on the attachment. You have it on the Planetary hub itself, which is right here. On our mixer, it's on the shaft. So if the shaft pin breaks, your mixer's not out of use. At the time we're looking at this dough hook, this is a very unique design. This is a kneading type dough hook that has a uniqueness in it because it pushes dough down. No other mixer pushes the dough down into the bottom of the bowl and mixes like the Varimixer. It also has a snake-like skin on the dough hook, and that also helps to push the product down instead of rising it up on the dough hook. When you look at our wire whip, the wire whip on a Varimixer is 3 to 7 times thicker than any other mixer that it competes against. The wires are very strong, very heavy, and it's a very robust unit. The flat beater is different in design. All other mixers will have their flat beaters will be horizontal, and it causes product to lock in them. This is more like an airplane propeller type, if you will, and as it turns, it gets all the product, and it's designed to pull the product in and let the product out without holding dry powder in the mix or on the sides of the attachment. We also have a uniqueness in our bowl scraper. We were the first to come out with a bowl scraper, and also instead of having to replace your bowl scraper when your scraper wears down, you just replace the one piece. As we go to the bowl, I'd like to show you something that's pretty popular with everyone. Number one, the controls on our machine are on the same size as the bowl lift. This is a fixed or variable speed control. As I let the bowl down, very simple, one hand, and I take the bowl out with one hand. The same way we take the bowl out, we can put the bowl back at the same. We lift one hand and we're back in business. No other mixer has that.
So when you're looking for perfectly prepared foods, quality, reliability, and durability, versatility and performance to handle all of your mixing needs, and the most robust tool set in the industry, choose Varimixer, the very best.